and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing another unboxing. This is going to be on a Motorola Droid Razr. I already have one. Let me pull that out of the way. That is cracked, that I got from Retro Comms. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Here it is. It does work and everything, but as you can see the glass is cracked. So I bought this one for parts. I think it was like $7, I think, roughly. So hopefully it's got a good AMOLED panel and stuff in there where I can just swap out my board if I need to, and battery and stuff like that. Alrighty, and this is the usual seller I order from. There's the card. So I can see the screen looks good. Maybe that's a scratch in it. Yeah, you can definitely hear. It's just a big scratch. It's not cracked. The AMOLED panel looks good. So hopefully we'll be able to take parts off of this one to fix mine. So that was pretty quick unboxing on that one as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.